Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix the server did not register with DCOM within the required timeout. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to go to the search bar and search for services. Click on open. Here you can choose any of the services. Click on that and then press the F button and then double click on functional discovery resource publication. The pop-up window will appear after you double click on that. Here you need to change the startup type to automatic, and after that you need to click on start and then OK. The next step is you need to go to the search bar again and right check for updates. Click on open. After this you need to just make sure that your Windows is up to date. You can click on this update option over here and install the latest version. After that click on advanced option. And here when you will scroll down, you need to click on delivery optimization. Just make sure to turn off this allow downloads from other PC button. Just toggle it off. The next step you need to do is go to the search bar again and type find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on search icon. It will take you to the another browser over here. It will give you all the troubleshooting steps for all the windows. You can choose here and follow this troubleshooting steps and see if the issue is resolved or not. Once you followed all these steps, what you need to do is you need to restart your laptop or PC once. After this, if this also do not fix the issue, what you can do is you need to go to the search bar, and in the search bar this time you need to search for component services. Click on component services, click on open. It will get you to this window over here. You need to expand component services and then computer folder. Right click on this my computers and then click on properties. The pop-up window will appear. You need to click on default properties here and now untick enable distributed COM in this computer. Just untick that button and click on OK. This pop-up window will appear. You need to click on yes, and after this try to restart your laptop or PC once. So this is how you can fix this issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.